Hi, welcome to Grambo's IMO. Today, I want to talk about the rule of law. Growing up, I had family rules. You probably did too. I had to do the dishes when I got home from school. My brother had to pick up after the dog. I thought he got the better end of the stick. Anyway, my kids had to be home by the time the street lights were on. Family rules kept us safe and organized. As a country, we have rules that keep us safe and organized. We expect our family, our friends, our neighbors, and our fellow citizens to abide by the laws we've developed. Our Declaration of Independence declares that we are created equal with rights, like the right to be treated equally under the law. These rights are secured by a government that receives its powers from us. They only have power because we give them our vote and our continued approval and consent. For going on close to 250 years, our representatives have created rules and laws that we've agreed to follow. And we have been blessed with security and liberty because of it. The opposite of the rule of law is lawlessness. In lawlessness, there is chaos, no security. People get hurt. Valuables get stolen, injustice reigns, liberty suffers. No one trusts people who are lawless. No one should. To be a successful society, we need law and order, which produces trust. Without respect for the rule of law, we will see our society degenerate. Since Trump was inaugurated as president, he has brought us a certain amount of chaos and illegality. He put a freeze on congressionally approved federal loans and grants, violating the Administrative Procedure Act. In this, he violated the law. He was lawless. He declared that the 14th Amendment's formula for citizenship was null and void, that being born in the United States did not make you a citizen, even though the 14th Amendment clearly and plainly says so, and an executive order does not trump a constitutional amendment. That's lawless. He fired inspectors general on the spot, even though the law requires that he give 30 days notice with explicit causes. That's illegal and lawless. He instructed government agencies to stop payment on funds clearly appropriated by Congress in violation of the Impoundment Act, which says that a president cannot withhold funds that have been allocated by Congress, breaking the law. Trump ignored the law made by Congress and upheld by the Supreme Court to close down TikTok, and by so doing, acted lawlessly, as though he had the ultimate overruling power, which he does not. And now, in a superbly, incredibly law-defying, brazen move, he's given Elon Musk access to our private, personal, and financial data that the Treasury Department has. Information and data about our Social Security accounts, information and data about our Medicare and health records, about our taxes, about veterans' benefits, on and on. This is indeed the biggest computer data breach ever, the biggest hack, the biggest heist ever. We've been told to take care not to click on phishing links that could lead to our private and financial information being stolen by criminals. Trump has allowed a South African billionaire to break in and steal our data. Trump has authorized the theft of our private, personal, and financial data that the government should have kept secure and out of the eyes of Elon Musk, someone who has no right at all to do anything at Treasury. But now, Elon essentially has the Treasury's checkbook that cuts or decides not to cut your Social Security check and any other check that the government sends out. This is outrageous. It's an unforgivable violation of the trust we put in a president. It's illegal. It should never have happened. It causes untold harm unnecessarily. It's un-American. And it's all due to the actions of Donald Trump. As you can tell, this really, really pisses me off. And it might be off-pissing to you too. So what can be done? This is a time for courage. I've written my senators and representative. Want to get requests for donations for their campaigns. I tell them, hey, they need to show some guts. Fight back against all this lawlessness. Fight for us, for the United States. I encourage you all to do similarly. Talk to your friends and neighbors. Let them know what's going on. Use your imagination to peacefully act in your own unique way to stop this. So that's my opinion. That's Grambo's IMO. Take care, be safe, and be kind.